ॐ सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Namaste. It's great. So I want to start my own experience. One customer came to meet me in Wilson Garden. Now let me explain to you the three locations: Wilson Garden, City Market and Madiwala. City Market and Madiwala in the opposite direction. And Wilson Garden is in the middle. So the customer met me and then he wanted to take a bus and go to City Market. Then he just asked me how long it will take. I just told him maybe around 20 minutes. And then he said how many stops that he has to wait. Then I was not knowing. Then he said doesn't really matter. This is the last stop. That is the destination. Then he said okay, he left. Then what happens? He went there. See, he asked me about the duration and the number of stops. Then I answered. Then what happened? He just got into the bus. The bus is 29. It is between City Market to the Madiwala. Then he got into the bus and then told the conductor that you give me the last stop. Then he said fine. Then finally what happened? Then when the last stop came, then it was not a City Market, it is a Madiwala. Now the question is, there is a lot of communication gap. So whatever he asked, I responded. But unfortunately what happens, he knows the 29 bus number and he also knows the last destination. Unfortunately, he got into the opposite direction of the platform. So that means he knows about the duration, but unfortunately not the direction. So why I am trying to give this particular example, with these small little things in life makes all the difference also. Similarly here, any person must try to understand, okay, what is the purpose of whatever I am doing also. This is what we call it. So we have got two gadgets. One is, the clock, which you are very familiar. Unfortunately, most of us don't know there is something like a compass. So we need a compass and also the clock. So we are very familiar for the clock, but not the compass. The most important thing is the compass. What is that you want in life? That gives the direction. See, let me tell you, for example, people like Adi Shankara, he lived only about 30 years. But he did a fantastic job in 30 years. Abraham Lincoln, he also made a fantastic statement because he has got a direction. But the question is, I am going to explain to you afterwards that the direction is more important than all the duration. Now the question is, let us understand about the clock and the compass. So I am not going to explain about the whole thing. I want to talk about one or two. One is, the clock talks about the commitments, the appointments, schedules, goals, activities, and the duration. These are all the function of a clock. It is also required, but you must have the compass, which gives the vision, the mission, values, the principles, and the direction. So I would like to make you to understand that the duration and direction are equally important, or the direction is more important according to me. See, there is no point in running without knowing why I am running. So my destination must be also be very clear. See now how we are going to apply this in our life. Now can I give one more example? See, one of my friends is a brilliant guy. Academically he is excellent. He was able to do a lot of things. But he was able to understand what is the purpose of life. So you will find lot of highly qualified people in ISKCON and other places. They feel that life is very, very empty unless otherwise you have got a direction. Now, why I am giving this particular example is all these people who are highly qualified, the moment they ask a question, so what is the ultimate purpose of life? Then you feel completely become bold. So this is where we have to understand the purpose of the compass. That's the direction. My friend who is so good, what happened? He got an excellent job. Then he has got a very good salary. But this man is very much interested in our Hindu the scriptures like Bhagavad Gita and Upanishad. So he used to attend the classes in the morning. So what happens? The moment he feel that his job is a hindrance to attend this particular class, then he resigned his job. And then he took a job which will take only between 10 to 5. Why? See, he was getting about 1/3 of the salary and he was knowing the direction where he wants to go. So the whole idea is to find out, that yes, so I need the direction. Now ultimately, the destination is for me is more important. So that is one particular thing. See, let me also give my own example. See, when I was working in a NAL in Bangalore, then what happened? It was a good job, government job, pensionable job, right? Now, I was not able to learn. Then I was just wondering at the age of 24 or 23, I was wondering what the hell I am doing. Initially, I had a fantastic job when I joined. Then I thought it's not the time for me to retire at the age of 23. Then I decided, forget about it. Maybe it's a government job. Then resigned and then got another job with a 30% lower salary. Why? Because my compass is very clear. I was not bothered about the money. I know about it, but my compass tells me very, very, very clearly this is not the direction. You cannot retire at the age of 23 or 24. So this is the purpose of this particular session, saying that duration is important, but compass is more important than direction. See, that is one. See, all of you, just think, pause, then ask questions to yourself. What I am doing? What is my direction? See, the greatest thing happen only when you start ask questions to yourself. So what is that I am doing? To what extent I am doing? So once you are able to under this particular one, that means the significance of the compass will be very clear. Nobody has to tell. Then you will get up in the morning and say, yes, what is it I am going to do? Am I going towards my goal? Am I going towards my goal? Or I am going away from the goal? So this is where you have to understand the importance of the compass. That means, yes, this is what I want. Now anything that is coming against in my goal, that means even if it is going to be a great benefit for me financially, but I have got the courage to say no. Why? My goal is very, very, very clear. So this is the purpose of this class. There is clock and the compass. Now I like this particular slide, which I would like to read it actually. That means, who is a teacher? See, same Alexander, when he asked his guru to go to the India, he said no. India is a karma bhumi. It's better you don't go there. But he wanted to conquer. That's good. So the real teacher, according to me, is a compass. Please understand very clearly. You may be a father, you may be an executive, you may be the real guru or whatever you call, isn't it? The point is this: you for a father, so you must be like a compass to your children. As an executive, you must be a compass to your people who are working with you. As a managing director, you must be a compass to the entire employees. So the whole idea is, that means a teacher is a compass that activates the magnet of the curiosity. What do you mean by magnet? See, all of us got a tremendous amount of another magnet within us. But unfortunately, it is not activated. It is not activated. That means the magnet of curiosity, of knowledge and wisdom in the people. So the most important things, particular one is, yes, see, I am a teacher, I am also a student. See, I am a teacher, I am also a student. The point is that as a teacher, what is my dharma? What is my purpose? So I must have a compass and direct the people also. Now you can make your own assessment about what you want to do on this particular one. You always think, yes, whatever that you want to do in your life, that means, am I going through the direction of the compass, or I am only looking at the clock? You know the difference, the duration and the direction. The most important thing is the direction. I am sure that you will be able to assimilate and then think and then find out what is exactly you want. Suppose you want to be a number one in the particular department, that means you have the direction. Then you keep on learning a lot of things. Similarly, you can apply any field in the same thing. Yes, I have a clock, I have a watch, but I don't have a compass. But you must have a compass to your own heart. That must be guiding you. Sure, it will guide you. Take care, stay positive. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.